To run HTML file on Visual Studio Code, go to your taskbar, then click on search, then search for Visual Studio. Then open Visual Studio. Then this one will launch. Just click on continue without code. Then go to file, then go to new, then go to file, then click HTML page, then open. You can select all that, then you can delete. Then you can write your own HTML code. So I had already copied my HTML code, so I'm going to run this one. So once you've written your HTML code, you will just click on file, then save all. Then you can change the name of this file. You can write sample, then save as type. You can click on that drop down, then you will see HTML, so click on that. Then we can save it on desktop. So once you've selected that, click on save. So once you've saved the file, you are just going to minimize this. Then you are going to see the file on your browser, or where the location where you have saved your file. Right click on the file, then open with, I'm going to open with Chrome. So this is what I had written in my code. As I open the code here, this is what was in the code. So as you can see, this is heading 2 and sample web page. So that's how you can run HTML file on Visual Studio Code. Now I hope this video was useful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.